Hi friends, today's topic copyright. It's a part of intellectual property like geographical indications, patents, trademarks, design, etc. Copyright legislation. Copyright Act was passed in the year 1957 and it came into force in the year 1958. After that, number of amendments have been made. The recent amendment was made in the year 2012, Copyright Amendment Act 2012. The main object of copyright is to protect the interests of creators or the owners. Who are the creators? Literary, artistic, dramatic, cinematographic, choreographic, sound recording, graphic, and other creations. These creators should get themselves registered with the Copyright Society under the Copyright Act 1957 in order to get legal protection. Second part. In order to avail copyright protection, two tests of doctrine will be applied. First one, Sweat-Bro doctrine. Second one, MODICUM creativity doctrine. Regarding the first doctrine, there must be some hard work. There must be some labor involved in any work. And regarding the second doctrine, some amount of creativity or own contribution or originality should be present. I would like to quote a case law regarding this. Rural Telephone Services Company versus Freeze to Publications. In this case, the company prepared a telephone directory. Already the names and the telephone numbers are in existence. They took a lot of efforts in collecting the names, numbers, and arranging and compiling them in an alphabetical order. So the first test is completed. Regarding the second test, is there any originality? Is there any creativity? No. Since the second doctrine has not been fulfilled, copyright protection was not granted. So the case was dismissed. Second part. Mere ideas or concepts cannot be registered under Copyright Act. Expression of ideas or concepts can be considered for copyright. For example, reality TV shows like Indian Idol, Super Singer, Roadies, Splitsvilla. They're all creations or expressions of ideas that can enter into copyright protection. Next one. FM stations, television stations, and public performing societies should get license from the Copyright Society. They should pay royalties regularly to play the songs. Actually, the FM stations not going to play only one song. They'll be playing number of songs. So it's very difficult for them to get license from each and every music director or a producer. So in that case, a single license can be obtained from the Copyright Society that bestows to play all the songs. This is a system prevailing under Copyright Act 1957. Next comes copyright office, copyright board and copyright society. Copyright office maintains a register which contains the names and addresses of copyright owners. So whoever writes a book on any subject or any music director who composes a tune for a song should apply to the copyright office and get the copyright protection. Next, copyright board. It was constituted by the central government, consisting of a chairman and members. The minimum must be 2 and the maximum 14 members. All are appointed by the central government. Next part, copyright society. In my next video, let us continue with copyright society and other parts. Before that, let me explain assignment of copyright. What is the meaning of assignment of copyright? For example, an author of a textbook can assign to different parties of his work. J.K. Rowling, author of Harry Potter, transferred 3 different persons 3 different rights. For example, she entered into an agreement with Warner Brothers to make a movie on Harry Potter. Second agreement with Fun School to provide merchandise. Third agreement with Universal Studio, a theme park in which Harry Potter program was screened. So for the same work, 3 different transfers, 3 different assignments